You know the beginning of the butt crack, the end, the top side of your butt crack. You see that place? It can harbor germs. Girl, you clicked on this video because you want to have a smooth, even looking beautiful butt, right? Welcome back, chocolates. Let's talk about a topic that people do not really discuss.
Everything is always working out for me. I'm a blessed girl.
So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to take care of your butt. Now, before we get right into the video, I want you to understand that the skin in your butt is the same skin on your face, so you might as well start taking care of your butt the way you take care of your face. The way you give your face that skincare routine, that is the same way you have to, pay attention to your butt. Okay, I'm not saying you're not washing your butt, but I know what you guys are doing. You are really neglecting that place. Now I'm going to give you guys my routine, how I do it, and I do these things just, I don't even know when I do it. Please sit down, watch this video to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, like, comment and subscribe, because my viewers are just strangers. Please, I don't want you guys to be strangers anymore. Subscribe, join this family. All right, let's get right into the video. So these are my step-by-step butt care routine. Okay, it is nothing different from what we usually do. Okay, sorry, my fan is on, the weather is really hot. So the first step is cleansing. I use the African net sponge when I'm taking my bath. Okay, and I use a bar soap as well. So if you use a shower gel, it's okay, but please, when choosing your shower gels or your bar soap, please go for the ones that the fragrance are not overwhelming. All right, that is what you need. So once I use my African net sponge, lather it up and start washing my skin. So I wash my skin part by part. I don't know if you get my point. My hand, go over it. If I need to lather up more, I lather up more. So when it gets to my butt area, I lather again and go over to the back side. I go over to the back side like it's the time to wash my face. Okay, I go over to the back side and I scrub. I use this sponge very well, like too hard, like I go over it like this is, when you're washing your skin, because I understand that some people, once they get to that butt area, they just and wash. It's not going to work that way. So with your African net sponge, just go over it, or whatever you use to take your bath, go over your butt, up, down, side, in between the butt crack. Please, once you get to that point, be gentle, because the skin there is very thin, so you can easily injure yourself. So take your sponge to that middle area. Take your sponge to that, to that middle area. Please let me go back before I enter you people's mouth. Please take your sponge to that middle area, but you have to be gentle as well. Okay, so that is for cleansing. Now for exfoliating, exfoliate twice or once a week. For me, I don't really make up that 2 times a week. I don't always make up 2 times a week, but I am sure that I always exfoliate my skin once a week. I always remove those dead skin cells once a week or twice a week, depending on my time and how much I can remember. Okay, so when it gets to your butt, now for me, I have always been using this Cuspa scrub. Okay, so when I am exfoliating my skin, I exfoliate it parts by parts. My body, my hands, when it comes to my leg, one leg, second leg, like that. When it comes to my butt, I do not take the remaining thing that is on my hand. I do not take it to my butt though. That's not what I do. I take another scrub, more scrub, physical scrub. I take it to my back, scrub up, down, side, to remove dead skin cells there, because they have skin, that is a skin, it also sheds dead skin. Unclog the pores there. So always do that. Apply more, like take it serious. Stop taking the remaining one and take it to your butt. I know that's what people are doing. Okay, stop taking the remaining one there. Always take fresh, take more scrub and take it back there. And scrub. Another way that works for me is by using the exfoliating sponge. With the exfoliating sponge, girl, you're going to exfoliate your butt neatly, but you have to be careful because the skin is soft. So just take it easy, up, down. So I can't really give you that demo here. I don't want them to flag my video. So, but I don't know, you understand what I mean? Just up, down, like that. Another place you should never neglect, the beginning of your butt. If I get a picture, I'll put it on the screen for you guys to see. The beginning of the butt crack, the end, the top side of your butt crack. You see that place? It can harbor germs. Always make sure your scrub get to that point. Okay, several I've seen people actually, you bend down to pick something and I see their butt crack, in between their butt crack, that part that you can always see, I see that part dirty, looking very dark, looking like they have build up there. I've seen it like severally. Honestly, when I saw that in the first time, I'm like, no, 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 no. I have to, you see, that place has to be well taken care of. Imagine how many people must have seen the crusty, looking butt crack. So yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. So always focus on that part of your butt area. In between needs to be exfoliated, but you have to be gentle about that part. I don't know if you get my point. Okay, the third step is moisturizing and nourishing your butt. Yes, now when it comes to moisturizer, after you take your shower, you come out of the shower, you apply your body lotion, right? Please, when it gets to that your butt area, calm down and apply body lotion there too. It is part of the body. Stop running. I don't know, people are always running. Take your time. Okay, sorry, something's itching me. People are always in a hurry. Okay, once you get to that area of your butt, take another one. That is your butt. It needs extra care. Take another lotion in your hand, let it be full like this, and apply it on your butt area. Do you understand? It's not when you apply your body lotion and there's nothing left in your hand is not like this. That is when you go and apply it on your butt. Don't always go with your hands like this. Always take another moisturizer. You get my point? Take another one. Let it be as much as this. Let your hand be white like this. Take it back there. Apply it up, down, as if you are massaging it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then, you spread it around the other part of your body. That is what you should be doing. Not taking the residue of the remaining one you finish up. When you apply on your leg, the one that is remaining, you will not take it to your back. Take enough lotion to your back. This is what I'm doing, that I'm telling you. Okay, so another thing that I do after applying my lotion is locking in moisture back there. If there's anything I hate so much in my life, it's when somebody's butt is dry. If you scratch it like this, it will be white. I hate that thing. I hate it so much. So because I hate that thing, I have to be maintaining my own as well, and that is where shea butter comes in. So I always apply shea butter on my butt. Okay, I just, after applying my body lotion, I've applied everything I need to apply on my body, I just go over with my shea butter. Take a little, just a little goes a long way. Like this, I just apply it on my butt. Very simple. See how it is? It will just nourish that area for you, firm your skin, thereby reducing the appearance of stretch marks on your butt. If you don't like shea butter, some people do not like the way it smells. Okay, it's a local product, so it has a local smell. So if you are not a fan of shea butter, you don't like it or you don't have it, please buy Vaseline. So just use a petroleum jelly. The point is just try and always lock in moisture on that side. Lock in moisture, because you're always wearing panties. You just want something that will make that side look plump and look good. Okay, if you don't want to use your Vaseline or your petroleum jelly, like I said, you can use a body oil. Okay, always, if you don't want to even apply the body oil on your body, just take a little and apply on your butt. You need to just lock in moisture there. That's what I do. Another point is, before you buy a body lotion, please check if it contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, alpha arbutin, all those brightening, hydrating ingredients. Always look out for them. They will always help to even out your back area, to help brighten and even out your butt. Okay, so yeah, that is it about moisturizing.
So guys, my light went off and I'm almost done with this video, so let's just use the natural light. Okay, yeah. So another thing again that you have to start doing, you have to start incorporating, is buying panties that are your size. Okay, stop buying tight panties, tight boxers. All those things are not helping the skin over there, because it's going to make you sweat a lot and it will clog your pores. Okay, buy breathable underwears. Okay, for me, I'm a fan of g-string, thong, so I don't really have to suffer that. Even at that, I also buy breathable g-strings or thongs. Okay, I also have full panties like this one that my sister gifted me. It's so beautiful. It's very beautiful, but anytime I wear it, I don't have peace. I cannot be wearing something that will give me, because it's very tight on me, so tight. So let's start investing on breathable underwears. Okay, so another point I want to give you is, please, once you come back home from your daily hustle, please let the butt breathe. Let the butt breathe. Give it a breathing speed. Let it breathe. Loosen it a little bit. Okay, don't always wear. You're always wearing you from jean to tight, you are home. Okay, just remove all those things you're wearing. Have peace. Okay, so yeah, that's another point that is very important. So lastly, I'm going to give you guys some useful tips that will help. You know those lotion they used to write 7 days, you 7 days fairness, 7 days brightening. Please, all those products are the reason why some of us are still battling with massive and very ugly stretch marks. There are stretch marks you see, they are beautiful, and there are stretch marks you see, they are very ugly. Okay, so please, let's just dish all those products and start going for real time product, the real product. Like I said, vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, alpha arbutin, so many ingredients that are very good. Just Google this, your friend. Okay, so another thing that I do again that is weird, I'm just going to leave that as a tip as well, is when I'm doing my skincare routine, like applying my toner, applying anything I'm applying on my face, anyone that I remain, I used to rub it to my butt. I should take it to my bottle. I used to rub it on my butt. I don't even rub it on my hand or my body. Anything that I'm applying on my face that is remaining in my palm, I used to take it back to my butt. I used to apply it on my butt. I don't know. I just do that subconsciously. Okay, but I think it has also helped in one way or the other, right? So yeah, so that's another tip that I'm going to leave for you guys. So if you have rashes on your butt, okay, if you have rashes on your butt, I will advise you go to the supermarket or to the pharmacy to buy Tidinel. This Tidinel, I don't know if I pronounce it very, Tidinel, this tube right here, go and buy it. It is going to help clear that acne under the butt. You know those under the butt acne, it will help clear that butt. It will help clear those acnes. Okay, also this one here, this one, I don't know, I tried looking for it because I kept the empty. I finished using like 3. I love it, it works. I'm going to tell you what this does again. Maybe that will be for another video. Okay, so this tube right here, you can get it, guys. Always apply it on your butt, any area that you have issues like rashes, acne. These tubes are really strong. They will just make that place smooth in 5, 7, 1 week, 2 weeks. You're having a smooth butt. Okay, so yeah, this is just the little things that I do to take care of my butt, because I take care of all parts of my body equally. Okay, but you see that my butt, I give it extra care. I don't know why, and I'm the only one looking at it for now because the girl is single. So yeah. So guys, please, if you've come to the end of this video, please do not forget to ask me any question in the comment section, and do not forget to like, subscribe if you've not. I'm going to see you guys in my next one, but until then, please do well to love yourselves and love your neighbors. Bye bye, guys.